Thanks Manscaped for sponsoring this video.
What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here today, my channel is all about helping you guys save time and save money by learning how to cut your own hair, men's grooming, and much more. Now, as you guys know, I've been a huge advocate for Manscaped products for over 3 years now, and with good reason. They're one of the only brands that I actually enjoy working with because unlike the many companies that reach out to me, their products and tools are actually legit. Which is why today I'm super excited to team up with Manscaped to give you guys an exclusive preview of their brand new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra. Now, I've been cutting my own hair for over 14 years now, so I definitely know my way around hair trimmers and clippers. And to make sure you guys are well informed of all the details, I'll be comparing the previous 4.0 model with the brand new 5.0 model. And so without any further ado, let's dive right into this. As usual, Manscaped boasts its elite level packaging, which is a great way to showcase the brand's premium nature. You can tell the engineers behind creating the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra were experts in design, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. The sleek matte to glossy black finish is meant not just to look attractive, but also provide a more comfortable and ergonomic grip. It's also relatively lightweight, which adds an important dimension of control and stability while trimming around your sensitive groin areas. The most noticeable upgrade between the Lawnmower 4.0 and the new 5.0 Ultra is the next generation dual skin safe blade heads. So not only is the trimmer blade getting an upgrade, but the trimmer is also interchangeable with the new foil blade to get an even closer trim for those that love the smooth and clean look. The new upgraded trimmer blade features longer, wider, and rounded teeth that cut through hair even easier than the 4.0 model. Having sharper and more efficient blades means that you get the job done with 1 to 2 passes of the trimmer instead of sitting there endlessly for minutes running the trimmer over the same spots. The Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra also comes with 3 different combs in the box so you can trim your hair at the lengths you find most suitable. Now, for those of you that like that irresistibly sleek and bare skin look, using the trimmer to debulk all of the hair would be step number 1. The second step will take your grooming game to the next level by getting an even closer shave using the brand new foil blade. The foil blade cuts hair with exceptional precision, so whether your hair is coarse or fine, this blade gently glides over even the most sensitive of skin types. Manscaped has made the trimming process going from Tarzan in the jungle to bare skin really easy with their simple 2-step process. The dual blades provide you nothing short of flexibility, convenience, and most importantly, an enjoyable hair trimming experience. I mean, just look at how simple it is to change out between the 2 blades. It's like a boxing version of tag team grooming. The trimmer blade enters the ring to wear down the opponent, and the foil blade swoops in to deliver the finishing blow, or in this case, unbeatable smoothness. The Lawnmower 4.0 was a one-of-a-kind trimmer because it boasted a built-in LED light. However, the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra now has a significantly larger and enhanced spotlight, so you'll always be able to see those challenging and hard to reach spots. This LED light also has a dual temperature feature, which was carefully designed and tailored to be adjustable to different skin tones. And not only that, the 5.0 Ultra also has a built-in memory function which allows you to fine-tune your preferred light settings. Once done, you'll never again need to reselect that lighting option when you power on the trimmer. And if you'd prefer to not have the light on at all, you also have that option. The 5.0 Ultra has 2 buttons on the front that give you multiple options. The top button is the power button to turn the trimmer on and off. The bottom button is what controls the travel lock feature and the dual temperature light feature. The travel lock feature, which was first introduced in the 4.0 trimmer, works by pressing and holding down the bottom button. This feature will ensure your trimmer remains powered off in your suitcase during your travels and doesn't accidentally turn on unknowingly, forcing you to charge it when you need it most. To find your preferred light setting, just click on the bottom button to sift through the different light options until you find the ideal light setting for you. The Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra, similarly to its 4.0 predecessor, includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that will give you 60 minutes of runtime even with its new upgraded 7,200 RPM motor. Manscaped also includes a USB-C and wireless charging option, so if you're old school like me, you can plug it into your wall outlet, or if you love new modern technologies, the wireless charging option works fantastic as well. On the topic of modernization, the 3-level battery life indicator remains with the 5.0 Ultra, so you always know how much battery life your trimmer has. One of the last and most important features that's unchanged within the 5.0 Ultra is its waterproof capability. This trimmer works perfectly in wet and dry conditions. However, I always recommend to my viewers that when you're cutting any hair on your body with trimmers or with hair cutting clippers, these tools always cut hair the best when your hair is dry. But if you prefer trimming in the shower for convenience, you have the luxury of that option as well. So with all that being said, the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra is definitely the grooming tool of the future. And if you're looking for premium performance, safety, comfort, and versatility, look no further, because this product literally has everything you guys need to help you achieve your groin and body grooming goals. Make sure you head over to manscaped.com/Kouras and get yourself the new Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra today. And don't forget, if you use my promo code KOVRAS at checkout, you'll get 20% off plus free international shipping. Again, use promo code KOVRAS to get yourself 20% off plus free international shipping, or go to manscaped.com/Kouras. And with that being said, I hope today's video helped you guys make a more informed decision with Manscaped's brand new Lawnmower 5.0 trimmer. If you did find this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and share this video with a close friend. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications as well to never miss any of my new self-haircut tutorials. Again, thank you all so much for watching, but I'll catch you all next time. Peace!